Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Siasat Education. Continuing our series of mathematics, we'll start with the next question. Question number 13. In this question, they have given 3 points. And they're asking you, can you draw? They're asking whether we can draw a triangle with the vertices, 3 vertices, 1, 2, 3. So let us consider vertex A as 1, 5, vertex B as 5, 8, and vertex C is 13, 14. What they're asking whether it is possible, whether we can draw a triangle using these 3 points. So in our introductory session of this series, I said that if these 3 points, if any 3 points can form a triangle, then it must be non-collinear. So that means 3 points can either form a triangle or it can be a collinear. So it can be either, the 3 points can be either collinear or it can form a triangle. So how to prove that these 3 points can form a triangle or cannot form a triangle? So we need to first find out these distances between AB, the distance between AB, distance between BC, and distance between CA. First we'll find out the distances and then we'll see how we can check whether these 3 points can form a triangle or not. So first we'll calculate the distance between A and B. To calculate the distance between A and B, we need to use the same formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. In case of A and B, A will become x1, y1, B will become x2, y2. Substituting in this formula, AB will become under root of x2, x2 is 5, minus x1, the value of x1 is 1, y2, 8, and the value of y1 is 5. If we subtract 4 square, 3 square, 4 square will be 16, 3 square is 9, 16 plus 9, it is 25, root 25 is 5. So we got the value of AB. So what we'll do is we'll keep here all the values. AB, we got the value as 5. Now we'll calculate BC and then CA. Now we'll calculate the value of BC. When we are calculating the value of B and C, so B will become x1, y1, C will become x2, y2. If we substitute these values in this formula, x2, the value of x2 is 13, minus the value of x1 is 5. The value of y2 is 14, the value of y1 is 8. 13 minus 5, 8. 14 minus 8, 6. 8 square, 64. 6 square, 36. 64 plus 36 is 100. Root 100 is 10. So we got the value of BC as 10. Now we'll calculate the distance between C and A. Now distance between C and A, when we are calculating the distance between C and A, C will become x1, y1, A will become x2, y2. If we substitute the values, the value of x2 is 1, the value of x1 is 13, the value of y2 is 5, the value of y1 is 14. So 13, 1 minus 13, it is minus 12 whole square, 5 minus 14, it is minus 9 square. 12 square, 144, 9 square, 81. If we add this to 5, 12, 225. Root 225 is 15. So the value of CA is 15. Here we can see that all the 3 values, there is AB is 5, BC is 10, and CA value is 15. Now we need to find whether these 3 points, A, B, C can form a triangle or it is a collinear. How we will find out whether these 3 points forms a triangle or not? In order to check that, we have to check any one side is equal to sum of other two sides. If we are able to prove that any one side is equal to sum of other two sides, then we can prove that we cannot form a triangle. If we can prove that any one side is not equal to, if it is not equal to, then it is a triangle. If it is equal to, then it is a collinear. So here we can see that CA, the value of CA is equal to the value of AB plus BC. See, 10 plus 5, it is 15. So as we can find a side which is equal to sum of other two sides, therefore it is not possible to form triangle.